So part of our MOT failure was front headlight. Looked around on eBay. It's not worth the hassle. What tend to happen is these snap here as well. We fixed this. We used some plastic padding underneath and a bit of aluminium. We've already made sure the other one doesn't snap. Right. So anyway, so to take this headlight out, got two of these, and you need a TP S27 torque bit.
Right.
If that makes any sense. And they look like that. One goes in there, one in there to start with. Have a little container to put them in.
This is a Renault Master 2004, in case you're wondering. 2.5 DCI.
Because we've done a fair bit of work on this fan already to get it looking nice. There's some more torques on here. In fact, you tend to find if you've got Renault Master band, just get some torques. It's just useful. Now I'm hoping there's something here. If you look in here, there, there's this like it's almost like you'd use it for blowing bubbles. You need to pull that off there. That keeps the indicator in.
Because the indicator's a separate unit, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
That comes out separately.
Try to remember how it all comes out. There we go. So once you've unhooked that thing from the back, the whole headlight comes out. Now, definitely got to take this off.
Oh, the torques, there's one there.
This is when you say you want spec saving.
So it's an MOT failure because although we've repaired that bit on top, something inside the headlight has actually gone the reflective and it's all cracked and
Broken
just had it.
When we
So
bought them,
we just want it sorting out, so that's what we're doing.
need them two on it. Oh, there we go, look. Two more hidden down there.
So there's
you've got to take the grill off basically.
one on top, one at the side, there's one underneath, but in order to get to that you have to take the reflector out, the indicator. So this looks fun.
We are not mechanics, we're
No,
just
we're not experts by any means.
trying to keep the van on the road. Because quite sometimes even though the garage wants the work, they just can't fit it in. You know. So I'm going to have to release this indicator as well to get this grill off.
Oh, so you have to do both sides to get the grill off there, okay.
Yeah.
Make that come off quick.
There we go again, look.
It's not the, I wouldn't say it's the 100% right thing to be undoing it with, but because you need a bit of a bar on it to reach in, but
really,
it works.
I've forgotten these were here. In fact, if you look at all of this at the top, it's all torque.
Yeah, most of it's torques. Yeah.
Now,
Even the airbox
we're
torques as
lucky.
well.
Okay, when this pulls off, it's got a couple of clips that go in there, which are these. When you line it back up, even the bumpers torques.
Yeah. And we have literally had we've had all the trim and everything off this van, the whole lot.
Right. So, hopefully I've got everything off.
Yeah, that was a problem.
So apparently the problem with this is you just cannot angle it right.
Apparently the reflective is just damaged, and the MOT guy just couldn't wiggle it and sort it. So
right, so that just pulls out.
Nice and easy.
So literally that's the headlight off.
Okay.
Now.
Oh, we've got a new one from your car.
That's interesting. So I've read somewhere how you adjust these, and there it is there. If you ever need to adjust them yourself, you put an Allen key and you turn this, and it obviously turns that. So there's the adjuster just for future reference. Right, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. We are going to go to the back of the van and do this there. There's a nice bit of carpet.
Okay.
Framing headlight.
Right.
Little tip, if you've got a tow bar, put something around it.
Yeah, see how you bang your leg on that, really hurts.
Right, so board. Right, so we've got slightly done Euro car parts. Just give a date on it, and part number or anything.
Has it got a part code on it? It must have a part code on it somewhere.
H1.
No, that's H1 and H7 is the bulbs.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
It might say on the box, but
Might do. Comes with a couple of new bits for the back. Well packed. Apparently it has been checked. Yeah. Right, there's a part number there, so I'm presuming it's a label somewhere. Okay. It all looks very similar, which is always a good sign. Yeah, right, okay, let's take the gloves off.
the only thing you've got to be careful when changing the bulbs, especially if they're halogens, you're not supposed to touch the glass, are you? Because it can break them when they get hot.
They probably now have a nice shiny headlight at the
Front, and the other one will be a bit dull, but
right, okay. So there's a couple of thingy-majigs here.
a couple
So
of cables.
I do the top one first on here.
Yeah.
Presumably it's just twizzles. Yeah, it does.
They have given us replacement ones of those as well.
There's the,
It's all loose,
you can
isn't it?
see
It's
what
just-
the
I mean,
problem
look,
is.
it's just all
So
looks
no-
broken.
No
So
wonder the MOT guy. This
there's
comes
a
out.
cable tie here. Looks to stop it from getting broken in transit.
Yeah, right, so that's down that little hole in there. So let's get rid of that. Okay, so there's that little bulb there. I wonder if I should get a little bit of tissue or something just to hold them with.
Yeah.
Let me get that. You can film and just show the bits inside the
Yeah.
light.
So this is the new one. It's got bulb there, there. H1 and H7 bulbs. Guess that might be part numbers on there. Could be. As you can see, that one is just so loose. And that was the tab that broke off here. I'd be careful if you fitting that.
Right, so basically I'm just
I'm going to transfer from
like
the old
that,
light to
so-
the new one, so
that just pulls out. This will be alright to hold.
yeah, no, that one's fine. It's just the halogen ones you
That
can't
just
be.
pushes in and then that twists in there.
Yeah,
So there'll be a couple of little lugs on the side.
yeah.
I think if you just push it in. Turn. Right, that's it. That was
Push
easy
that
enough.
in turn, yeah. And then this main halogen one, it goes in there, sits, and then this thing clamps it down.
Yeah, so there's a lead. So if I pull that off there and release that, he says it's awkward because it's come away from me.
Which means when we're driving, it's bumping around all over the place, isn't it?
Now
It's
what a
not.
bit of a flashy does. I'll have to stop waving our fists now and then, Daniel. But when I'm taking that off, you can see that sat. It's just like that.
Yeah.
Just so that should just lift out. There we go. Right. Okay, so that needs to be literally.
Has that got a locating lug on one side?
Yeah,
It has, hasn't it?
it's flat somewhere.
There's a
So
hole in there, and there's a hole here. You twist. I think you twist it to it. So if you twist it round, that's it, like that. Yeah. Unless it's both the same. Oh, it's the same each side. I haven't done this before, so it goes like that, straight down.
So look,
Because it's got little
yeah, that is how it
locating
goes,
lugs, yeah.
and then this pushes. Oops! So if you're changing a bulb, it's just handy to see. Cool. I'll tell you what.
It's got a bit of force on that, hasn't it?
If you ask me, not too much, but we'll see in a minute. Will that go under?
Is it sitting in there okay? It's sitting in there.
Yeah,
okay,
it's
isn't
fine.
it?
Yeah,
So
it just
should be
needs
fine,
pushing.
really awkward to get in. Oh, it's
Oh,
in
it's
there.
gone in.
It's in
Okay.
there. It's in
Right,
there.
it's me. It's me again. Okay, and then obviously this just clips on.
Is that the same as the other one then? Oh,
Yeah.
it is the same
Yeah.
terminal. Okay.
So that's on. Okay, that's that one. That was easy enough to do for me. Okay, and then we've got the bottom one. Again, it just looks like it should just come off. These are just caps. It's got some new caps with it.
Yeah, we'll probably replace those, won't we? Just
Okay.
so they're easy to get on and off.
Now what we've got in here, I think we've just literally got one bulb in here.
One
which
bulb.
is there.
Yeah, and it's a halogen by the looks of it. It's just so loose. It's absolutely had it.
So again, I've just pulled that off. And in here they've got two of those clippy things that you need to
Yeah. So you
release it with.
pinch it and pull it back.
So pinch it,
Yeah, like
pull it back.
yeah. That's it. That's the lot.
Right. And then if I replace that just like I've taken it out, which I have done, and
Yeah.
again, I think it can only go away because you've got a flat bit at the top. So, oops, there you go, see a flat bit there,
Yeah. Hopefully that still works. I'm sure it will do.
and a flat bit there, and a little tab that just slots in. So you can't really go wrong with these, to be honest.
No, they're easy.
Right. It's a bit strange.
Shall I hold this cable back so it's not in the way?
Right, so I need to push these down. So you just push out and under. Right, that's that done. Right. So
Easy. It's easy enough to do. Sorry about the long video.
but you might just want to know how to do
don't want to
stuff.
keep doing separate videos all the
Right,
time.
this has got little tabs on it, and they fit in there obviously.
So if you're looking at replacing a headlight, at least this.
Don't know what that's for.
Might help
that grey
you.
bit at the top, but
I'm not sure what that's for.
No,
Do you
I
push
don't.
it? Do you click it in or anything?
don't know.
Oh no.
There's a wider one, which is there, and two little ones which are there. So that grey bit should be at the facing.
Does
the
it
floor.
click in at all? Like
Yeah,
some
it
sort of
did, just
locking?
did.
Okay, so when it clicks in,
Yeah.
okay.
So same again. That bit needs to be facing the floor. Just line it up. Well,
So now we've transferred the bulbs. Same process as taking it out, and
Yeah.
that's it. So hopefully that helps you if you're
I
looking.
mean, you see the difference between the new liner.
There is quite a difference.
They did suggest that I might be able to undo this and mess about, but you know, you can see how bad it is. Right, okay. So we're going to, in a minute, come back to the video and just show you how we popped it back in and turn it on, make sure it works. Hope that helps somebody.